It's ready.
Hey
Hey
guys.
guys,
Today we're gonna show you how to make slime.
slime.
All you need is a slime stress ball, the one
Yep.
that has a net over it.
Yes.
And that's all you need. All you need is to cut it. And yes, guys, this is our first
And-
video. And guys,
we are in my bedroom.
be quiet. Okay, so anyways, what I was gonna say is that sometimes we may not be able to make videos because we're gonna be at school.
Me too. I mean, both of us.
That's not what I meant.